Also got a case of the Power 6 Assortment by Glorious. Now, this was probably the most expensive case of 500 gram cakes that I bought. I think the case price on it originally was two for $92. Both of these cakes for $92. And I think I ended up paying like 55, I want to say 54, 55. So it was like 25 to $27 a cake. So yeah, definitely expensive, but I think it was definitely worth it just because the effects on these cakes are like amazing. Cannonade is very similar to Extreme Machine by World Class. If maybe even the exact same cake, but I know it's very similar to it. Cannonade, AFW.